So here we're going to buy 8 pens for 99 cents each using the distributive property. Just before we do that, yeah, of course we can plug it in the calculator. Of course we can do long multiplication. Purpose of this exercise, though, is to apply the distributive property a little bit so we can understand it. But I'm going to do this right away anyway. So 7 eighths is 72, put down 2, carry 7. 7 eighths is 72, and 7 is 79. And 8 times 0 is 0. And there are 2 decimals in the multiplication problem, and so there's going to be 2 decimals in the answer. And so we should get, the answer should be $7.92, right? So we know that. That's fine. We know we can do that. It's not the question. The question is, how can we understand the distributive property a bit more, right? So the distributive property, we're going to use that to get this answer, to just understand this a bit more. And we're buying, like, what is it, 8 pens. We're buying a bunch of pens, and each pen costs 99 cents, right? So it's going to look like this. 8 times 0.99, right? Now, how would you think about 99 cents? It's pretty close to $1, right? In fact, 99 cents is what, if you think about dollar? What is it? How close is it to $1?
1 cent.
Yeah, it's 1 cent away from $1. So it's $1 minus what?
1.
Yeah, 0.01. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what at 99 cents. It looks like this, 1 minus 0.01. So we're going to write that for fun. So it's like 8 times that, right? Now we're going to use the distributive property. And we're going to take this number, multiply it by this number, and then take this and multiply it by this to see what we get, right? So what's 8? So it's 8 times 1 is what? 8. And that's like 8 full dollars, isn't it? What's 8 times 1 cent?
Well, I don't know if you would do 8 times 0 and then 8 times 0 and then 8 times 0.
How about you just think in your head, what's 8 times 1 cent? 8 cents. What does 8 cents? What does 8 cents look like as a decimal?
0.8.
No, not 0.8. 0.08. Yeah, that's 8 cents, isn't it? 8 cents. 8 cents looks like this, 0.08, doesn't it?
Well, isn't that the tenths and the hundredths?
Yeah, the hundredths, exactly. But that hundredths is where cents are located. Like 3 cents, 3 pennies is 0.03 of $1.
Well, if it was
Right.
$1, that's where the 1 would go?
Yeah, 3 dimes is 0.3, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, or 30 cents. That's 3 dimes, right? $3. $3. Now that's, 3.00, right? Or 3, right? $3, right? So yeah, 8 cents looks like this in decimal form, right? So we've multiplied the 8 in. Now we have 8 full dollars. Subtract 8 cents. What's 8 full dollars? Subtract 8 cents. Well, first of all, it's $7 something, isn't it? Right?
7, so it's 100, almost 100 minus 8.
Yep. Good. 100 minus 8 gives what? 100 cents. Take away 8 cents gives
91 cents?
92. Right? 92. Right? So it's just $7.92. We can do that. Not a big deal. It's just money. $7.92. Right? I mean, if you really want to draw it out, it's like it's $8, 8.00, and then 0.08, and then subtract, right? What do you get? So you can do, okay, this is 10. We borrow from here, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2. And this we have to borrow from here to get 7. And that goes over here to make 10, and when you borrow from that becomes 9, and so 10 minus that is 2, 9 minus that is 9, 7 minus 0 is 7. You can do the long way of subtracting the decimals too. But I hope we're good with knowing that like $8 minus 8 cents is $7.92, right? Okay, well, this is meant to be this is actually meant to be, like, yeah, this is, I mean, I think what might help is, like, when you're using money, try to mentally think about it. Like, think about, more in your everyday, just be thinking about change and money and what does a cent mean? Like 3 cents is 0.03, right? Stuff like that. Yep.